Hey Java Nuts, it's coffee time. In today's installation of Coffee in the Sun, we're going to learn how to make a cold brew latte. The only special equipment that you're going to need is a way to froth the milk. As you can see here, I'm not actually using a legitimate milk frother. I'm using something that most kitchens already have, a handheld chopper. About 4 ounces of cold milk, a good bit of ice, and about 4 or 5 ounces of cold brew. It's a good idea to have a napkin and a spoon at hand. Start by plugging in the mixer and making sure that it works. Now turn on the stove and put the milk on the burner. You want to start mixing the milk before it actually gets to a boiling point. You do not want the milk to actually boil. The technique here is to get those slits, which is where the blade is, to go up and down over the milk surface. If you want your latte sweetened, add sugar now. When you get a good fluff, and before the milk boils, take it off the heat. Pour your 4 or 5 ounces of cold brew into your ice, and top it with your milk, pouring slowly. And grab your spoon and spoon some of this froth on your latte. Add a straw, and you're good to go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Maybe they'll make you one. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. I read all of my comments and look forward to hearing about your favorite summer coffee drink. I'll see you soon.